What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Hate the Other Side by WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll throw your second favorite pet rock into the doo-doo river. Also, I'm giving away a free guitar, so if you want to figure out how to enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, so this song is in standard tuning, and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. If you need the guitar tab, check the video description, it is there for you. Start by barring the 4th fret with your index finger, and you're gonna be picking E, G, E, B, open E, and then 2 on the B, so. And then 2nd fret low E, 3rd fret G, 2nd fret low E, 4th fret B, and then 2nd fret E, 4th fret G, 2nd fret B, 4th fret G. What I'm doing there is I'm just barring the 2nd fret and putting my ring finger on the 4th fret of the G to give that. So again. From the top, that looks like. Now the riff does play through all that one more time. Except when you get here, you're picking low E, high E on 2, 4 on G, 2 on B. So again, I'm barring that 2nd fret. And then open on E, 4 on B, 3 on G, 4 on G. And all that starts over and it just repeats. So from the beginning, very slowly, that looks like this. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.